There are certain concepts that I like to understand better in my science class. Usually the labs we do better help my knowledge in that area, but there's some things I'd still like to learn more about, and we can't do them in our own lab.
On Lab Day, students are always ecstatic for the chance to step out of the science classroom and apply what they've learned in a laboratory environment. These labs give students a better understanding of the subjects they are learning, and are fun too. However, some of the labs that might be beneficial for students to perform aren't available for many reasons.
Difficult but interesting science. However, there are some things I need to learn outside of the textbook. We are currently learning that acids and bases, and for me, this topic is pretty hard. I would love to be able to do a more extensive lab in order to understand acids and bases more. I would love to be able to perform all the reactions that we learned so I can see what really happens, the color changes, the temperature changes, and the solids being formed. I find it frustrating that I can't excel to the best of my ability because the school can't afford better lab equipment.
I know what you mean. Physics can get pretty boring sometimes. The lab experiments make it more fun. I need hands-on learning to help me with physics because not everything can be learned in a regular classroom setting. And I would love to try optics and working lasers. That would be awesome.
Our group came up with this idea of a virtual lab app in order to help students with their studies.
Since a lot of schools can't afford the biggest and best equipment for students, a virtual lab app will solve their problems.
You could even use this app at home. You know, for example, if you wanted to redo today's lab, all you have to do is go home, take your tablet, press on the app, and do it over.
How about if I didn't want to do the same exact lab? What if I wanted to change the amount of sodium I put in the cup or whatever?
Well, you could do just that.
A lot of kids would find this app very useful. My friend finds science difficult, and I think she would understand it better if she had this app on her phone.
You could do just anything.
But how about if we can also have other language options in this lab? Then other countries' students can also find chemistry, science.
Okay, so with like a tap on the screen, I'll be able to check out these labs?
Yeah. You know, I think anyone would be very interested in science if we had this application.
I think our school would love this.
In today's world, we need people to excel in math and science.